Hello friends, welcome to another episode of Learn and Speak Tamil Like a Native. So in this video we are going to see the first video of a new sub-series called Punchline. So what is a punchline? So among Tamil speakers you'll often hear the word punchline or punch dialogue. அவர் பேசினா எல்லாம் punchline தான். Everything he speaks is punchline, which means the person has a very rhetoric style of speaking. So it's a very catchy phrase, and that has been popularized recently through movies most of the time, and people then start using it in different context. So it's used as a sarcasm, fun, irony, just anything, but especially to add a little effect. And when you learn such words on top of other things you have been learning, you can really impress other Tamil speakers. So they are just so powerful and add spirit to your spoken language. So enough of the introduction. What is the punchline that we are going to see today? So in English there's a saying called such as all is fair in love and war, or love knows no rules. But we do not say that so often in English. So it's just another proverb. But here in Tamil, that is so popular, you will really like it. I like using it so much. So imagine you wish to say, oh come on, who is worried of the rules? Or just let go of the rules. Or you wish to convey to not worry of something because it is nothing really so serious. அரசியல்ல இதெல்லாம் சாதாரணமப்பா. So if I should translate it word by word, அரசியல்ல, in politics, இதெல்லாம், all of these, சாதாரணமப்பா, just a petty thing, not a big thing at all. And appa at the end is just to add a friendly suffix like it's a simple like hey dude or man. It's a simple thing. I hope you get the meaning now. So as much as in love and war, even in politics there would be a lot of rule bending or no rules also sometimes, and that is universally politics. But how can this with such a meaning be used in day-to-day context? I will explain. அரசியல்ல இதெல்லாம் சாதாரணமப்பா. You look at the picture there. Imagine the man is asking that little boy, how much did you score in the exam? And the boy who haltingly says, I'm just a C grade. I just passed. And then the person says, hey, it's okay. You can become a big man later. Do not worry. I too failed a lot. அரசியல்ல இதெல்லாம் சாதாரணமப்பா. So you're seeing things as politics, life as politics. Just don't worry. Take it easy. There's nothing to feel ashamed in politics, and so in life. So today you lose your face, tomorrow you become big. I'm sure you get it. Another example. So what just a film phrase some 30 years ago I think has become so much in style, even elders use it in lighter vein. Well, those who watched it 30 years ago, they're older now logically, and now young girls, they use it among friends. It's a very lighter talk. So you cannot say this in an interview. Why did you give wrong information in your CV? And then you say, அரசியல்ல இதெல்லாம் சாதாரணமப்பா. Well, then you will never find a job anywhere. It's okay. In this scenario there, imagine the two ladies or the two men have a conversation like this. Hey, do you know that our old boss is coming again to our company? And then the other one says, but he said he's never going to set his feet again on this useless company. Just a month ago. And then, okay. அரசியல்ல இதெல்லாம் சாதாரணமப்பா. Oh, come on. Do not mind all these. All this nonsense happens. So nowadays the workplace is no less than a political ground. I'm sure you can find as many ways to tell you make a promise and then someone asking you what happened to the promise you made about your weight loss program, or daily bungee jumping or cycling to office, and you're not doing it. And then you say, hey, come on, arasiyalla idalam sadharanamappa, which means you have made a promise and then, oh well. So that is all for now. Hope you'll find ways to use it. And you want to know why I did not do a movie dialogue video now, and I even made a post promising that the next one will be a movie dialogue. Okay, I just changed my mind. Arasiyalla idalam sadharanamappa. So these varied lessons ought to make your learning more interesting and thorough in every way. I'll be doing a punchline or a punch dialogue every once in a while. In the meantime, you can also check the Instagram channel where you can learn a lot of vocabulary and small phrases daily to refresh your memory and to add new words to your memory book. All the best with your Tamil learning. Be sure to subscribe, like, and press the bell icon to be notified of new videos.